All right, as we begin to dive into electrical sensors in automobiles, we must talk about electricity conceptually first. This is a piece of copper wire, and this is a copper atom. Pay no attention to this mess up over here. This is a copper atom. This is a single copper atom. It is composed of 29 protons, and it has some number of neutrons, 35 is most common. But there are also 29 electrons, and if you'll notice, if you take a look at these blue electrons that I've drawn on this diagram, there's a single electron up here by itself, in its ring all by itself. Very important. Now, this copper wire is many of these copper atoms, an immense amount, an unfathomable amount of copper atoms oriented next to each other, attached to each other, and that's what forms this copper wire. Okay. Now, the thing that allows electricity to flow is this lone electron up here. Electricity is the flow of electrons. How do electrons flow? This electron literally bounces, literally moves, literally jumps from one copper atom to the next copper atom over and over and over again along the wire, and it's gaining an electron from the previous copper atom and it's giving it to the next copper atom. And these electrons, these copper atoms, are literally passing an electron through from one another over and over again very quickly. Well, generally very slowly, but in aggregate very quickly. Okay? So electrons move through the wire. And that movement of electrons is what we call electricity.